But why?
Can you see this? Look at this.
Yes,
Duplicates. I don't know. I
I
need to
can
up.
see it.
Anyway,
I no, you have problems, my guy. You have problems.
I'll sort them out. Yeah. I'll sort them out. Cool. So, hello. Today I'm discussing chapter 23. Um, get next page results. And Lindo's navigating my session.
Hi everyone, I'll be the navigator of this session.
Cool. Let's jump into it. So basically in this chapter we basically just accessing different pages, right? To get the specific amounts of movies for each page, right? So that's basically what we did in this chapter. So let's have a look in our code. Um, so
Wait,
firstly,
why is it viewing and like I don't know, something weird is happening here.
what is my VS Code?
Open. Yeah.
Can you see?
Why do you have like that part open editors and then bottom you have like men? What is open editors? What's going on?
Wait, where do you see that?
Like on the side panel.
Oh, this.
Hey, what is
Yeah,
what are those? What's that?
Oh, I've always had this. It's just like, it's the same as this when I cancel it.
What you have open? Oh, I don't think I have that on my VS Code. Do I? No, I don't.
Yeah, that's pretty much. That's what it is. Yes. But yeah.
Okay, I don't have that.
Yeah. See, whenever I access a module, then it shows here, and it shows here. I don't know why it shows here, but yeah. So,
Okay.
basically here we have our. Let me explain first in the front end. So, log in quickly.
Ooh,
Let's do this.
I love the user interface.
Can you see my nav bar?
Yeah, it looks good, hey?
Yeah, I did it this morning. I was like, let me change this thing. But anyway.
It looks proper.
Yeah. So here basically when you click get next 20 results, the page changes, the page number changes, and then you'll notice that the amount of movies remaining over here changes as well. So it keeps getting subtracted by 20, as you can see over here. So every time we access the next page, the amount of movies remaining. Oh, come on. The amount
What
of movies.
happened now?
No, just access the. I access the different page. Yeah. The amount of movies change basically there. So let's see how that works in our code. So within my movies list, placed or I added this hook over here, right? As a constant variable total movies with this custom hook set total movies, right? That will change the state of data in my total movies variable to whatever based off the pages we access. So whenever I access the next page, it changes the data in there, and then yeah. So basically, after doing that, I placed within my retrieve movies method over here, right? Placed the set total movies function, which is gonna change the state of data in my total movies variable. So I added that here. So basically, every time retrieve movies function is called, right, or every time it runs, then basically the set total movies method will basically change the state of data in here. So it will just show the total amount of movies reducing every time I access a new page, basically. Then you can see here response.data.total results. Um, can you quickly show me how you what's this? How you access the console there? How you did this thing in the console when you check the object?
Okay,
Okay,
let
let
me
me
open.
open.
Yeah, let's see
Okay,
it from your
so
screen.
by default today, when you load like the movies, it's gonna return an object, right?
Yeah.
Then that object is gonna show you like entries per page, that's 20 obviously. Then it's gonna return this object with movies, all movies, because we're not filtering everything out as yet. Then it's gonna return what page we're in, which is page 0.
Yeah.
And then it's gonna return like the total results. So now, oh, remember I searched Minanim. Let me refresh that without you like doing anything, it's just going to return what? The total result, which is going to be 21,352. So what we're doing now is accessing like response.data
Yeah.
dot what's this dot total result, which is an object. So it's using the key value pair. So it's indexing it basically. That's what it's doing.
Okay. Yeah. So it accesses
Yeah.
response, then it goes in data, then when it goes into total results, it can access that value. Alright, cool. So yeah, then that's what set total movies does. It has this as an argument. So then when you come to basically to the JSX over here, basically here this is the formula basically added to change the state of data for the current page, and then also to change the state of data for the total movies as well. So basically here what happens is total movies um, minus the current page incremented by 1 multiplied by entries per page, right? So it's a conditional saying if this is greater than 0, then what will happen is this will run, and then it will basically show the movies remaining based off this formula over here. So basically when we clicking get next 20 results and we see the state of data changing there, that's because of this formula, which changes the state of data for our total movies. And yeah, I think I covered. That's chapter 23, basically. Linda, is anything
Yeah,
to add?
that's it. Hey,
Is there anything to add on that? Let's see.
nope, there's nothing to add. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, there's nothing to add.